Paragraph and page formatting in MS Word. Learning about the following points: page setup, header and footer, printing documents. Page formatting. The page setup option in the File menu allows you to adjust the page setting such as margins, orientation, layout, etc. To go to the page setup, 1. Click on the File menu, Page Setup, or double-click on the top edge of the ruler bar. 2. The Page Setup dialog box appears. The Page Setup dialog box has 3 tabs: Margins, Paper, and Layout, with each tab offering various options. Page margins. Word gives each page of the document a default margin, which means that the textual matter is placed at a certain distance from the edge of the paper on all the sides. There is a margin placed on all 4 sides of the page: top, bottom, right, and left. To adjust the margins, in the Margins tab of the Page Setup dialog box, you can adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins. By default, the left and right margins are 1.25 inches, and the top and bottom margins are 1 inches. The Preview section in the dialog box gives you a preview of your adjustments. Page orientation. The Margin tab in the Page Setup window allows you to print the page vertically or horizontally. 1. Click on Portrait if you want the page to be printed vertically. 2. Click on Landscape if you want the page to be printed horizontally. Paper size. In the Paper tab of the Page Setup dialog box, we can specify the paper size which is going to be used for printing. If it is a custom size, like A4, we can choose an option from the drop-down menu. Or we can specify the width and height of the paper to be used. Header and footer. A page header is the text which appears at the top of every page, and the footer is the text which appears at the bottom of every page of a document. For example, your school textbooks would be having a page number appearing either at the bottom or top of each page. Some other information, such as the name of the book or chapter, would also be repeated on the top of every page. To create a header or footer for your document: 1. Click View menu. 2. Click Header and Footer. 3. The Header and Footer toolbar appears and the header area appears within a dotted line. 4. Type out the text which you would like to appear as the page heading. The Header and Footer toolbar offers you various options to add page numbers, number of pages, the current time, the date in your page heading, and switch button header and footer, etc. Click on the switch between header and footer button on the Header and Footer toolbar. The footer area is displayed within the dotted line. Enter the data which you would like to appear as page footer. You could have the page number appear in the footer. To have page numbers appear in the footer, follow these steps. 1. Position your cursor where you want the page number to appear. 2. Click on the Insert Page Number button. The page number will appear on all the page footers. Print Preview. MS Word allows you to see what the printed document will look like before actually taking the printout. You can use the Print Preview tool to make adjustment to the document before printing it. This saves on time and prevents wastage of paper and cartridge ink. To go to the Print Preview option, 1. Click File menu, Print Preview, or click the Print Preview icon on the standard toolbar. The Print Preview window opens up where you can see the pages of your documents as they will appear when printed. Zoom option in the Print Preview window. To get a closer look at your documents, increase the zoom percentage. Or double-click on a page to zoom in. Click once again to go back to the earlier view. To get out of the Print Preview window and go back to the normal view, click on Close. Printing documents. After you have prepared your document and seen what it looks like in the Print Preview, you can now print it. The document, when seen on the computer monitor, is known as soft copy. When in the printed form, it is known as hard copy. To print a document, 1. Click File menu, Print, or click the Print button on the standard toolbar, or press Ctrl+P. 2. The Print dialog box appears. Here, you can do the following. Specify the name of the printer. Specify the page range as All to print all the pages in the file. Current to print the page where the cursor is. Pages. Here, you can specify the page numbers of the pages you want to print. For example, 1 to 12, 15, 17. Selection. This option lets you print the selected portion of the document. 3. Specify the number of copies you want to print. Summary. In this topic, student, we have learned following points. Page Setup window allows you to adjust the page setting, such as margins, orientation, layout, etc. Print Preview displays what the printed document will look like before actually taking the printout. The shortcut keys for printing a document is Ctrl+P. And that is all in this lesson, student. Learning is fun, so keep learning.